Doug, thank you for sending in your sample material. You had sent in a steel rule die and then some sheets of the foam that you guys are looking to cut. Looks like you sent some different thicknesses. Now, I've done a little bit of testing so far, but I don't have that much sample material, so I'm going to do some on video here for you so I don't exhaust all the material. And first what I'm going to do is actually use the die that you had sent in. Now you can use our press two different ways. You can put your die on the bottom, blade up, or your die on the top, blade down. If you put your die on the bottom, you would then just mount your cutting board to the top with either clamps like this, or there are mounting holes in each corner of the press that you can use as well. But for now I'm just going to use clamps. So we'll take your die, we'll put your die on the bottom, we will slide this in, click it out, and you'll see that we get a pretty good cut. Okay, now I still don't know if the edges are as clean as you guys like, but I'm going to send you the sample material back so that you can review that. The next type of die that I'm going to use is a forged die. And this is just a die that I have in-house here. Now this type of die is an 1¼ inch high die. It's forged steel. Now with this die you can't do very complex shapes. So I don't know how well that'll work for some of your applications. So what I'm going to do, show you how this one works. Now this type of die you would put on the top, blade down, set the material on top of the cutting board, set the die on top of the material, slide it in, click it out. And now with this one, you get a pretty clean edge, but again I will go ahead and send some samples back to you on that. Now this third type of die that I'm going to demonstrate for you is the clicker die. Now this is the type of die that we build in-house. This is an 1¼ inch high welded steel die. We can build, again, just about any shape that you need. And this one, as with the forged die, you would set on top of the material, blade down. So I'll just set that on top there. Slide it in, click it out. Now this die, the way that the edges are beveled on it, you don't get a very clean cut. So I don't think that's the way you'll want to go, but I'll do some various sampling anyhow. I'm going to upload this video for you. I'll give you a call to discuss and we'll go from there. Thank you.